Hi everyone, welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will draw a bookmark design. This design is very easy to make and very simple design. Let's get started. This time I start with rectangle tool and drawing this rectangle. I suggest 150 and 45. It's enough for a bookmark. There is a text, or what if you want writing here. I prefer the text here, so I make another square, or I'm sorry, rectangle here. I'm taking this, holding down to this object and holding down to shift and a little bit smaller, and right click copy and hold on to this icon here and holding down to shift and release the mouse. Yeah, my base is ready. I select the two square here and combine it. The rectangles are one object here, and let's write our name, Mary, and select the font, and then taking this here, Mary, and here you can use another font, and I suggest all the letters is big fonts. Yeah, maybe it's Impact 5. That's good font for me. And Mary, a little bit bigger. Mary. Yeah, I'm taking this here and I'm take the letters a little bit. Yeah, that's cool. And I selected the heart shape. You can use any shapes here, but I want to draw a heart here, maybe a little bit rotated, and taking this here and select all objects and hit Weld tool. Yeah, this is very cool. You can use any ribbon or another object here to good looking, or you can use this here. This is very easy and you can use any book in it. Hope you enjoy it. See you in another lesson and another bookmark design. Goodbye. Hi everyone, welcome to my new lesson. In this lesson we will draw another bookmark design. In this design we will write two names, and you can use a ribbon or a tassel on this bookmark design. Let's get started. First of all, I'm taking the text tool here and I'm writing the names. For example, Johnny and Johnny. Sorry for my poor English. This name is right or wrong, I don't know. And Mary. And I'm setting the fonts here. Maybe Impact is very good. And I'm taking the rectangle tool and drawing a line, bold line like this, and set the sizes with 150, and I'm taking this here and bigger. Yeah, that's very big. Maybe it's enough. So taking this here I set the corners round for 5 millimeters. It's very good. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, bold. And taking this here and bigger. Yeah, that's very cool. And I'm taking this here and I shrink that. That's enough. And you can use any shapes, for example heart and flash, or if you can if you want another shapes here, you can search the internet and download any icons here, and this names icon this and this names icon this, so you can use any icon here. Turn a little bit, and this is the our icon. I'm selecting the all objects here and weld tool and setting the outline, hairline, and fill with none. Yeah, that's very cool. And I'm taking this here at a little 1 or 1 on 1.1 and 1.1, a hole here, maybe a little bit bigger. Yeah, this hole for a ribbon or a tassel, you can take this here and use your bookmark. Our lesson is finished. This lesson is the for now, just now it's my course is finished, but I want to update the course weekly or monthly. So I want to add new lessons, new designs in this course. For now, the course is finished. See you in the another lessons and other designs. Thank you for watching and thank you for purchasing my course. See you in the another lesson. Goodbye.